In the world of construction, concrete is king. It forms the backbone of buildings, bridges, and infrastructure. This is where the U-Box test comes in. It evaluates a fundamental property of fresh concrete: workability. Workability refers to how easily concrete can be mixed, placed, compacted, and finished. The U-Box test helps determine if the concrete mix is suitable for its intended use. It ensures that only the most suitable mixes make their way into our structures. The U-Box test is straightforward, making it a favorite on construction sites. It involves a U-shaped apparatus with a gate in the middle. The test begins by filling one compartment with fresh concrete. Then, the gate is lifted, allowing the concrete to flow. Observe how the concrete flows. Does it spread out evenly? This provides valuable information about the concrete's workability. The distance it travels is measured. This measurement indicates the concrete's workability. The beauty of the U-Box test lies in its simplicity, both in procedure and equipment. The primary piece of equipment, as the name suggests, is the U-Box itself. This apparatus, typically made of steel or other durable material, is designed to precise dimensions to ensure consistent results. Beyond the U-Box, the test requires a few basic tools. A trowel is used to fill the U-Box with concrete, ensuring a level surface. A ruler or measuring tape is essential for measuring the spread of the concrete after the test. And finally, a stopwatch is handy for timing certain aspects of the test, although not strictly required. The minimal equipment requirements make the U-Box test readily accessible and practical for construction sites of all sizes. It's a prime example of a low-cost, high-impact test that can significantly influence the success of a construction project. Section 4. Benefits of implementing the U-Box test. The U-Box test offers several key advantages that make it an indispensable tool for evaluating fresh concrete. First and foremost, it provides a quick and reliable assessment of concrete workability. This is crucial for ensuring that the concrete can be easily placed and compacted, minimizing the risk of voids and honeycombing in the final structure. Secondly, the U-Box test is highly repeatable. Its standardized procedure and minimal equipment variability ensure consistent results, regardless of the testing location or personnel. This repeatability is essential for maintaining quality control across multiple batches of concrete and different phases of a construction project. Thirdly, the U-Box test serves as an early warning system for potential problems with the concrete mix. If the test indicates that the concrete is too stiff or too runny, adjustments can be made to the mix proportions before it is poured, saving time, money, and potential headaches down the line. Section 5. Interpreting the results. Workability and its implications. Understanding the results of the U-Box test is key to maximizing its benefits. The primary measurement is the flow value, which represents the distance the concrete has spread in the second compartment of the U-Box. A higher flow value generally indicates a more workable mix, meaning it flows more easily. However, it's important to note that the ideal flow value can vary depending on the specific application. For instance, concrete used for heavily reinforced structural elements may require a different workability than concrete used for a simple sidewalk. Therefore, it's essential to consult project specifications and guidelines to determine the acceptable range of flow values for the concrete being tested. By comparing the test results to these guidelines, engineers and construction teams can ensure that the concrete meets the required workability for its intended use. Section 6. Conclusion. U-Box test. A cornerstone for concrete quality. In conclusion, the U-Box test stands as a testament to the power of simplicity in construction quality control. Its straightforward procedure, minimal equipment requirements, and ability to provide quick and reliable results make it an invaluable tool for evaluating the workability of fresh concrete. By incorporating the U-Box test into their quality control protocols, construction professionals can ensure that the concrete used in their projects meets the required standards for workability, ultimately contributing to the strength, durability, and longevity of the structures they build. The U-Box test is not merely a test, it's a safeguard, ensuring that only the most suitable concrete mixes contribute to building a stronger and more resilient future.